What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove, install or replace a water filter on your LG fridge. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So to replace the water filter on an LG fridge is super easy. This is a fridge that we've had for a while. However, we've only just connected the water, so I've still got my brand new filter ready to go. You need to remove this bottom shelf here. Just wiggle that one there out, put it on a side. So behind the shelf here is where the filter actually lives. This one here rotates in and out to make it a bit easier. Obviously this is a new connection, so we don't have to remove the old one, but if you do need to remove the old one, anti-clockwise to the left and that one there will come out. To put the new one in, simply do it the opposite direction, so push in, twist it to the right, slot that one back in, and we can put our shelf back in, and then that one there is ready to go. Nice and simple. Apparently every 6 months is when you're supposed to replace it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.